Hello, my name is Robert Brooks. The class is MDF2, the term is 1411, and this is my Project 1 video review. In this project, in this video, I'm going to review my Project 1, take you through the application, and tell you exactly what I did for my project. Then I'm going to go over a short overview of my code, and then I'm going to expand on what I think that I could have done better for this project. First thing I'll do is take you through my code, and we'll go ahead and launch. You'll notice that when you refresh it and when you first launch it, it just had already loaded, so you get that loading alert view indicator showing that it's loading. Each cell has the latest post from my Twitter account that I created just for this application and other applications for this course. You click on the cell, it gives you the details about the post, including the date, time, as well as the username. And I'll show you one from down here. So there you go. The next function we have is the user detail, where the user detail basically just displaying my user details for my Twitter account. It has my name, my description, number of followers, and number of friends. Now the third thing that we have here is the ability to post to the Twitter account. And the text the posting window comes pre-populated with posted from Project 1 app. So let's go ahead and do a quick post here. And obviously if we cancel it, it goes back. Let's go ahead and post it. And as soon as we come up here and refresh, there it is right there. So as far as functionality for the app, that is pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to mention that this shows the post, at least a preview of the post, and this shows the date and time, and each one has an icon. Now for a quick overview of the code. The bulk of the code is in the view controller. Viewcontroller.h just declares everything I'm going to be using in the view controller. We start with loading in the view did load, loading my alert view, the activity indicator, which it actually took out just because I couldn't get it working. And then we have the mutable arrays that we're going to use later, and we call on the self refresh, or we call on the refresh trigger function, which has everything with has access to the account store, and pulls the request from Twitter and puts everything into puts it into a string and an NS array dictionary. Let's see here. This is me setting the values for the strings that are going to populate my user fields. This is me setting the value for the custom object, the Twitter post info object, and creating a dictionary from that, and then populating the dictionaries with the data received from the refresh Twitter function. Let's see, post button. This brings up the post window here through the SL Compose view controller. Refresh button function, just so I didn't have to, I could have easily put this in the IB action, but I just decided to make a current function with it. It's basically just doing everything on the view did load. This is creating my table view, and here's my segues to pass the different information between the view controllers. I did create a custom object for the Twitter post info. Right here, I created a detail view controller to control everything on the detail view, and also a user detail view controller for the information on passed from the passed to the user detail for the user information there. As far as things I could have done better, I I think the biggest thing would be I probably could have created another custom object. I didn't have to, but I probably could have created another custom object for the Twitter user info. Um, just the nature of the assignment didn't require it, but I imagine going forward that would probably be the best method and the most from an organizational standpoint as well as from a simplicity standpoint. But that would probably be the one thing that I would definitely change with the application. Thank you, and I look forward to the next project.